ja juba on järgmised esinejad ennast valmis pannud. Annika eestvedamisel Titu, Tanel ja Pangupealse lasteaed. Teeme neilegi suure aplausi.
Oh, wanna quit my job, travel the world and see some stuff. See the sunshine every day. Oh, and that dream I had of getting off this beaten track, go somewhere far away. I hope the world's gonna get me. I know I'll find my way. I hope the world's gonna help me. I heard somebody say it's a beautiful place. 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 It's a beautiful place.
Valmis on pannud ennast E-grupist 2 last, kes